The Royal Bengal tiger, master of these watery realms, a powerful swimmer gliding silently through channels. Around 125 in Bangladesh and about 100 in India, guardians of the mangroves. Rare, resilient, watching from the shadows.
Graceful cheetal, spotted deer of the Sundarbans. They graze near the water's edge, ever watchful. Vital prey, yet swift in escape. Their presence keeps the balance alive.
Beneath the surface, gentle shadows glide. Ganges and Irrawaddy dolphins, souls of the waterways. Endangered, yet enduring, they dance in the currents. Symbols of a healthy, living delta.
The most commonly sighted mammal, often seen grazing or fleeing near waterways. They form a key prey base for tigers, rhesus macaque, and other primates. Monkeys are abundant, climbing mangroves and sometimes raiding boats for food.
Over 260 to 300 species, including kingfishers, several varieties, like the brown-winged, a near-threatened species, egrets, herons, white-bellied sea eagles, and migratory birds. The forest is a paradise for birdwatchers. The ecosystem supports 42 to 49 mammal species, 59 reptile species, 8 amphibians, 210 plus fish species, and hundreds of invertebrates, crabs, shrimp, etc. It hosts many endangered or threatened species, with tigers, crocodiles, dolphins, and river terrapins, Batagur baska, among the most notable.